NAMIME House by Company Studio in SA RÀPITA, Spain. Site: NAMIME House is located in the town of SA RÀPITA, a coastal village in the south of Mallorca. The locality develops along the coast in front of the island of Cabrera, facing south. It is a quiet and residential place. The plot where the house is located has a rectangular shape and small dimensions, on a corner. Project and strategy. In order to build on this plot, the municipal ordinances of the area require separating the house from the street and neighboring plots. Therefore, once the mandatory separations have been made, the resulting house is only 3 meters wide. This is the starting point to fit the whole habitable program in only 3 meters of constructed housing width. This limitation invites locating the proposal in the longitudinal direction of the plot, taking advantage of the maximum occupiable space and maximizing solar exposure. At the front of the plot, hanging porch apparel is designed that will serve as solar protection and will function as a mechanism to maximize the interior space of the house. The project strategy is clear: to generate the maximum indoor-outdoor space to cope with the limitation of 3 meters of enclosed housing. We have sought to bring the interior space narrow to the limit of the facade, including the entire front porch. Therefore, the habitable structure coincides with the structure that encloses the house, and the interior space has been modulated so that the rooms of the house respond to the rhythm of the structural axis. This modulation solves the program and at the same time configures all the spaces, including the facades. On the ground floor we locate the bedrooms, and on the first floor the living room, kitchen, and dining room. A space is also projected on the roof where the pool is located, being the most privileged place of the house to have fantastic views of the sea and the island of Cabrera. In order to reduce volume and communicate spaces, we opened up the building and introduced a series of interior courtyards that connect different rooms, generating multiple circulations. The courtyards, despite their small size, allow us to bring the garden to the upper floors and generate a filter with the street, to gain privacy in the bedrooms at street level. The materiality is very clear. The surfaces are resolved with terrazzo made in situ, biocalces, and natural lime stuccos, using a palette of warm and neutral colors. These materials have continuity and appear both inside and outside the house. For the execution of the terrazzo, aggregates and stones from the area have been used, which we will find in interior elements such as wash basins, furniture, and countertops. The interior woodwork is made of sustainably produced pine from the country.